from Kimberly's mouth.
It's up there. Good enough.
Primo, the Pit Bull Terrier. Number 1 in the country for freestyle. Number 7 in the country for the breed. Pit Bull Terrier, 6 years old. He's one of our elder dogs in this competition. Has some good hops as well. Lucia Corres from San Fran. Do a little moonwalk action.
Sometimes I hear that song and I'll start to sing along and think, man, I'd love to see that girl.
21.5, the new mark to beat. We need the crowd to get rowdy in this. Lucia just told me, let's go crowd, let's make a little noise. Primo likes a little noise. There you go. Nice jump for Primo.
Yeah, Primo.
You notice too, not a lot of height for Primo. Primo doesn't go for the height, and that's not what we're looking for. Just kind of like a bullet off the end of this thing. Right off the end, we'll have to see how that stacks up. 23 feet 4 inches.